code on it. Okay, so for our final project, we wanted to design something to help you park your car more efficiently. So we've used this object detector, and what it does is basically it's going to look how close you are to the wall. So it sends out a voltage depending on your distance from some sort of object. And then it sends it to the LPC Expressor board and then sends the data over to the Android app, which Mike is bringing over right now. So you could see on the app, is it running?
Almost. Is that blinking?
Yeah, it's still blinking.
Okay, here we go. Try again. We'll be closer. How about that?
There we go.
There we go. Okay. So if you see, it basically has like an arrow of like how far away you are from the wall, and if you get closer, then the arrow moves closer. It also prints the distance in centimeters towards the wall. And the more we tested, the more we figured out that this sensor is pretty cheap. It's got a minimum range of 27 centimeters, which if you're parking a tight car and it's really tight and you get to 27 and you can't get any closer than that, you could still move forward. Also potentially a way to calibrate what wall we're using with the sensor itself. Will actually have a better reading from like what it's reflecting off of, because it's an ultrasonic sensor. But the moral is you hook this on your car or like one of those little remote control cars, and you can see how far away you are from parking. And that's what we did. So yeah, are there any questions?
Yeah, you should move and like go
Yeah.
But you have to act like a car.
Okay, so room.
So it gets a little close. Yeah, and then she's crashed, and it's like right at the corner right now. And so one other like thing that we tried to do was like, so basically what we have right now is just showing the general feasibility and functionality of, we have a distance, we have a reading of an arrow that goes to a wall, but there's so many things that we could put on top of it. For example, say you wanted to be able to open up the app, take a picture of your garage, and then load that picture up. So I went sort of like 90% of the way of a load picture function, so you could take a picture of your garage and load it up. The problem is right now there's like, at the end there's just a something messing up between the picture that's already loaded on and the picture that we would have loaded on. So it didn't quite work, but we tried to go down that path. Anyway, cool.
All right, good work.